Hello everyone. This is a 12-year 2.0 T Audi Q5, equipped with a 7-speed dual clutch with a B5 gearbox. Currently driving 89,000 kilometers. Fault: reverse gear has no power. Let's take a look at the specific fault. Small slope reversing. Can see very hard. High engine speed but lack of power. There is no special fault code in the computer test. The road test is also normal. Mainly because of clutch K2 slip. Remove the gearbox check. First, remove the left half of the shaft. Then remove the dual mass flywheel. This is a double mass flywheel with cushioning. Then remove the clutch. Can see the gearbox structure. This is the clutch assembly. These oil rings are in good condition. Start disassembling the clutch assembly. Remove the oil seal. Then remove the circlip. Remove the cover. Remove the K1 clutch circlip. Remove the parts of the K1 clutch. Remove the K2 clutch input bone. Check the friction plate. Friction plate has been ablated. This is the main cause of car breakdown. Replace the friction plate for troubleshooting. Accurately install input bones. After precise installation, the surface is flat. The rest are also installed accurately.